All right. I'm ready to tell my story. Camera clear? Ready to tell my story. Boy, whoa, that was crazy. Never thought. Oh well. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Back with another video, man. As you can see, sitting in the garage, you know, I ain't got too much going on, just a little unboxing, you know what I'm saying? A couple items that came in, and I got a special surprise. You know, sometimes things just pop up, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, without further ado, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna hold y'all. We just gonna get into the unboxing of the few items that I have today. The first one I have is pretty much gonna help us with the AC. We still collecting items that's coming for the AC. This is one of the things that's gonna help us get our power together, help us not use so much amps on the alternator, dog. So this right here is the G.D.I.Y. It's by G.D.I.Y. It's pretty much a isolator, whatever you want to call it. Separate. It's an isolator. Separate the two batteries. I'm gonna have two batteries. Have one running off the you know, running the high lead and all the main electricals on the inside, and then I'm gonna have another one that's gonna run the AC and maybe the music, but not too much music. But this is gonna do it. So you're gonna need this if you want to run it separate. You can run it all the same and have a big alternator, or you know, a nice size alternator, or you can do it like this and save you a little power, save you a little money. Instead of buying an expensive alternator, just something I read up on research. So we're gonna put this on with everything else we got. So G.D.I.Y. If you need the part number or whatever, just hit me. I'll get it to you. And we're gonna go to the next one. The next one is the main character, the birthday cake. You hear me? This is the next one. This is what really going on. This is what's really going on right here. We're gonna go, when you ordering that AC kit or whatever, they gonna give you a raggedy, you feel me? Blower is not gonna blow that much, bro. I know a lot of people be thinking that blower gonna do something, but it's not. You have to get you another, and you have to get this one. This the one. This is the one. I know you probably can't. Y'all not gonna be able to tell on the camera, but this the one you want. This the one you want. This the one you want. So you gonna get this one, and it blows 600 CFM. This blows 600 CFM. I'm not sure what the other one blow. I think the other one might blow 200 or 300, but this is double that. This is what's gonna give you power. This is what's gonna have it blowing snowballs in there. Now, this is 4. I got the 4 vent. They got one that's 6 vent too, that'll blow 600, but I figured I didn't need all them vents, so I'm gonna go with this one. We're just trying to keep the car cool so we can ride in it in the summertime or anytime it's hot. So this is what we got. This is the next one that came in. These are the only 2 things that came in today. I got probably like 2 more items that I'm trying to get, and they small. And we're gonna start putting this AC in, man. Been working a lot, you know what I'm saying? And just doing my thing, doing my 1-2. So we're gonna get this stuff together, get this AC in, man, and see what it do. Only reason I'm not in a rush to put the AC in is because I'm gonna have to doggone take the car you know, take the dash apart and all that. And I didn't feel like doing that, but you know, it is what it is. It ain't like I just been moving anyway in it. So yeah, we'll break it down and go ahead and do what we gotta do. So, but yeah, those are the two things that came in today. These are the two items that came in today. This would be where we would end the video, right? But it's not. I got a special surprise, man. I think my boy 87 SS boy, he gonna like this one. He gonna like this one. So let me clean up, let me get my stuff together, and I'm gonna come back with y'all, show y'all the next one. All right, hold on. All right, YouTube, we back. I just had to put it on the car a little bit. Don't mind the windshield. Like I said, I ain't washed the car. But anyway, so I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory on it. I was on Marketplace, as I do, being a Marketplace looker, and I seen something. I was like, oh, what's this? Something I always wanted. You know what I'm saying? My life before I even got this car, I wanted this car with this. So I was like, you know what I mean? Cool, let me see. I'm gonna try to get it, you know what I'm saying? Never know. So boom, I try to get it, end up getting it, you know what I'm saying? Spent a good amount of hours on a Saturday getting it, but if anybody can tell me these part numbers, I'm gonna give you the part number, and if you just guess what it is, that's the part number right there. 14015445. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm about to show you now. Let's go, man. So what I got was a big block. I got a big block, 454. You hear me? I ain't playing with them, boy. You see what it is? A big block, conventional 454. What I'm gonna put it in? Who knows? Maybe it might be that. Maybe I leave the LS and go conventional 454. Who knows? But guess what, my boy? I got a big block. Hey, man, I'm still happy, bro. I caught this big block, and you know what? I'll give you 10 seconds to guess how much I paid for it. I give you 10 seconds to guess how much I paid for it. You got 3 more seconds. I paid $500. Supposedly, it's supposed to be a 4-bolt main, but we'll see. It's something I'm gonna bring to the channel. Maybe, you know, who knows, but for now, I got it. I'm finna get it. I'm gonna put it over there in the corner with the motor horse and all that, and it's gonna sit there until I do my next thing. But I just wanna let y'all know this is what I got. 87 SS, boy, you see it. I know you got a 383, but hey, I always go big or go home for me. So 454, bro. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. As you guys can see, I'm happy, man. I got my 454, you hear me? I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I just know I got it, man. Hey, we're gonna see what the funds do. But anyway, man, this is gonna be the end of the video. This is what's gonna wrap it up, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, be a part of that G.D.I.Y gang, man. Hey, sometimes shops get bagged up and you don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Now get that camera out my face for that 454 run over.